We'll guide you through how to make news transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create red, blue, or white shape bars by using shape layers. Place the bars across the screen in different positions so they resemble a news-style graphic transition. If needed, add text layers such as headlines or short labels and place them on top of the bars. After arranging the elements, select the bar layers in the timeline. Press P on the keyboard to open the position property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position so the movement can be animated. This creates the first keyframes at the current playhead location. Move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should happen. Then slide the bars quickly across the screen by changing their position values. Move some bars from the left side and others from the right side to create a fast broadcast-style effect. After creating the motion, add motion blur to the moving bar layers so the transition looks smoother and more realistic. Enable motion blur for the layers and activate it in the timeline controls. As the bars move across the screen, use them to hide the first clip completely. Then reveal the second clip behind the moving graphics so the scene changes smoothly. Add other ornaments such as extra lines, small boxes, icons, or additional shapes and adjust the transition according to your preference. Continue changing colors, positions, or timing until the design matches the style you want. After completing the setup, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap. Adjust any keyframes or graphics if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your news transition is complete.